Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the class. Today we will have our science class. So children, in the first lesson, that is lesson number 1, things around us. I have given you the question answers. So let us do the other bits. Okay ma? So first one, the second bit, filling the blanks. I hope all of you have taken the textbooks from the school. So I am giving only the answers. Write down in your textbook and you can write it in your classwork afterwards. So children, first one is, I am reading out it for you. An electric fan is a dash thing. What it is? It is a non-living thing. An electric fan is a non-living thing. Second one, the things which occur in nature are called, what are they called? They are called natural things. The things which occur in nature are called natural things. Dash flower move towards, these things are given, only the blank one I am writing. Dash flower move towards sun. What flower? Sunflower. Sunflower, if you see in the morning, it faces towards the east, and if you see in the evening, it faces towards the west. That is, according to the sun's direction, it also moves. Fourth one. Dash is a non-green plant. What is a non-green plant? Mushroom. Have you ever seen a mushroom, children? It is white in color, but not green. Some animals are kept by men in their houses called, what are the animals which are kept by men in their houses called? They are called domestic animals. Okay. So next, let us write the next bit, that is true or false. Yes or no. Say it is yes or no. First one, green plants produce their own food. Yes, green plants produce their own food by the process called photosynthesis. All natural things are living things. No, all natural things are not living things. For example, you take sun, you take moon. They are not living things. Third one, living things forever. Is it true, children? No, living things do not live forever, because plants, animals, human beings, everyone dies. Fifth, all animals give birth to their young ones. Yes, all animals give birth to their young ones. That is called reproduction. Animals can show their feelings. Yes, animals can show their feelings. That is, when they are happy, they can show. When they are hurt, they can show. When they are sad, they can show the feelings. And the fourth bit, children, see here, write the names of any 10 non-living things. Let us write the names of 10 non-living things and sort them into natural and man-made things. So children, what does this mean? First we have to write 10 non-living things. Names of the 10 non-living things. Then we have to classify them into natural things and man-made things. So let us write the 10 non-living things first. First is car. Second is sun. Third we have stones. stones. Fourth, chair. Fifth, we have house. House you can see around you. Okay. Sixth one is sky. Seventh, pen. Eighth, book. Ninth, clouds. And 10th, what you have is anything you can write it. Clothes. You see clothes around you. So these are the 10 things, children. I just wrote 10. There are many, but we have to write only 10. So I wrote only 10. Please copy this. Questions you have to write it from the textbook. So you have to take the textbooks from the school. Okay. I am rubbing this one. Must have written this. These two bits I am rubbing, ma. So after writing this, you have to write, draw a table like this. These are natural things. These are man-made things. Okay, children. From this list, we have to write it separately. What are natural things and what are man-made things? First one, car. Is it a natural thing or man-made thing? It is a man-made thing. Here, sun. Sun is a natural thing. Stones. Stones is a natural thing. Chair is a natural thing. A man-made thing. House. House is a man-made thing. Then we have sky. Sky is a natural thing. Then pen. Pen is a man-made thing. Book. Book is a man-made thing. Clouds. Clouds are natural things. Clothes. Clothes are man-made things. So children, see, this one we classified into natural things and man-made things. After writing this, you continue. Below only draw this table and write. I think you have finished writing this, children. So for homework, I am writing here. So for homework, you write this fourth bit. Fourth bit, 2 times you write. Okay. This is for homework. Fourth bit, 2 times you write for homework. And post it in the WhatsApp group. Everybody should take the textbook, otherwise you won't understand what we are teaching. Okay, children? So please copy this and write homework and submit in the WhatsApp group. Okay, children? Take care. Bye.